Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Camry door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully lift and detach the power window switch panel. This exposes hidden screws and allows access to the panel's inner workings. Now, let's tackle the fasteners. You will find 2 Phillips head screws beneath where the window switch panel was. Remove these. There is also 1 screw hidden behind the small plastic cover you removed earlier, near the door handle. After these screws are out, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the perimeter of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips holding it in place. Work slowly to avoid damage. With all screws and clips removed, the panel is ready to come off. Gently lift the entire door panel straight up. This action disengages it from the window channel at the top. Once lifted, carefully pull the panel away from the door frame. You will then need to disconnect the electrical connectors for the door handle and power window. Finally, detach the door handle cable by rotating its housing and unhooking the cable end. Before reinstalling, inspect all clips for damage and ensure they are properly seated on the panel. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable, making sure they click into place. Align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel, then push the panel firmly against the door frame to engage all the plastic clips. Finally, replace the screws and covers you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.